Could July finally be the pivotal month for the altcoin space? As it stands, Ripple's XRP appears to be taking the lead. But it's not alone. There are 3 additional crypto projects we need to spotlight, each preparing in its own way for what could be a breakout July. Together, these 4 altcoins, XRP included, are driven by catalysts that are uniquely tied to July 2025. Being early to this information, as always, could make a major difference. These aren't unfamiliar names. We've mentioned them before on this channel, but what's different now is that specific time-sensitive developments are expected to set them apart in the coming month. Welcome to the channel. I'm Kalen, wishing you the best of luck with your investments, whether they include these projects this July or sometime down the line. As always, keep in mind that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be interpreted as financial or investment advice. As noted at the top, Ripple's XRP takes the #1 spot. Over the past 90 days, its price has been relatively stable, trading in a sideways range between $2 and $2.40. A technical analyst known as eGradCrypto on X has identified some indicators suggesting a significant move could be imminent for XRP in July. Using technical analysis, eGrad points to a large symmetrical triangle pattern on XRP's monthly chart, a formation generally seen as neutral. However, this structure is also paired with long-term price consolidation and increasing fundamental interest, often a recipe for a decisive price movement. Historically, these setups play out within 75% to 95% of their full pattern length, meaning a breakout could occur as early as July. But there's one obstacle: XRP must first push past the resistance at $2.40. As of this recording, XRP is priced at $2.18, right in the middle of its recent range. eGrad also analyzed Fibonacci levels, which, while theoretical, suggests XRP could climb to between $8 and $27. While that projection is certainly aggressive, and I remain skeptical until proven otherwise, the TA is undeniably optimistic. Plus, Ripple as a project continues to gain momentum. Next on the list is Chainlink, a personal favorite of mine and arguably my strongest conviction play. It's not the flashiest token, but it's one of the most critical when it comes to blockchain, and increasingly beyond blockchain infrastructure. Being a Chainlink enthusiast can be frustrating. Given everything it powers, I often ask why Link isn't already trading at $100. It's like the Swiss Army knife of crypto, yet its price doesn't reflect its utility and reach. Despite some recent highs, especially after a breakout in December last year, the all-time high of $52 still feels distant. That said, July could bring a shift. As of now, Link is trading at $13.22. If it can maintain this level and test the next major resistance at $18, we could see upward movement. A confirmed daily close above $18 could pave the way toward $24, and if momentum continues, a move to $32 is possible later this year, Q4. While Link still lags far below its peak, there's a strong sense that when it does rally, the move will be massive. That's my take. Of course, I admit my bias, but it does feel like something big is brewing. Our third altcoin is SEI, one that hasn't been in the spotlight often, though that's changing. You might recall its rocky history, especially a poorly executed airdrop that left many early supporters disappointed. But SEI seems to have bounced back significantly. The biggest development? Circle, the issuer of USDC, was revealed to be one of SEI's largest investors. This detail came to light through Circle's IPO filing, which disclosed SEI as the most held token on its balance sheet. Interestingly, Circle's largest financial investment was actually in another project we'll talk about shortly. Meanwhile, SEI recently earned a big endorsement from the state of Wyoming, being chosen as a finalist for the official stablecoin pilot. WI Saint SEI was selected over notable competitors like Ethereum, Ripple, SUI, and Avalanche, an impressive achievement for a project of its size. As a result, SEI's price has surged up 57% over the past month, currently trading above 30 cents. This performance, fueled by strong news flow, makes SEI one of the stronger performers in the space. Based on these positive developments, the upward trend is expected to continue into July. Finally, we have SUI, a token that continues to rank among my top picks for 2025. It's already bounced back from significant market dips and still shows strength, even as the overall altcoin market struggles in relation to Bitcoin. Fundamentally, SUI remains solid. The team is highly active and there's no shortage of notable developments. Over the past 265 days, SUI has captured 25% of Ethereum's outflows via the Wormhole Bridge, second only to Solana. Institutional demand is also on the rise. Swiss-based investment firm 21 Shares has shown strong interest, even filing for a US-based SUI ETF in May. Ms. 10 Labs, the team behind SUI, recently launched Nautilus, a privacy-preserving platform that offers off-chain data processing with on-chain validation. Another major highlight, SUI has surpassed $500 billion in token volume, $500 billion. This metric speaks to the project's scale and activity. As of now, SUI trades at $2.77, slightly down today, but still seen as a good entry point by many. Some analysts believe the price could climb to $15 or higher by year's end. In summary, these four altcoins, XRP, LINK, SEI, and SUI, are the ones we're watching closely going into July. They each have unique triggers and potential catalysts that make them stand out this month. Of course, this isn't a complete list, and if we missed your favorite project, drop it in the comments and let us know why it deserves attention. Thank you for watching and see you soon.